Welcome to Smokestack Joe's. I am an experienced backyard barbecuer and I help make barbecue simple and easy for the new backyard barbecuer. I also do grill reviews to show you the best grills that fit the needs you're looking for. And today, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a full review on the Monument Grills Eminence 605 Series Propane Grill. So if you're in the market for a propane grill, this may be the one for you. This is a top of the line gas propane grill. You can also run it off natural gas if you have the capability at your house. This is a monster of a grill. It is 6 burners and it is 89,000 BTUs. You can see it has all stainless steel grill grates. I love this feature. Most gas grills are going to come with those cast iron grill grates, which are good, but the stainless steel is such a huge upgrade. Now you can notice on the rear of the grill, it's got an infrared burner. This is for the rotisserie kit that comes with this Eminence 605. If you want to do chicken, pork loin, turkeys, prime rib, that rear infrared burner is going to make the rotisserie absolutely delicious, and that infrared burner would be perfect for doing that shawarma style street food that you can get. And I'm going to be testing out this feature, cooking a pork loin in a future video, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss that. So along with that rear infrared burner, on the side it has an infrared burner as well. This is for searing steaks. This is an awesome feature. You're not going to get a sear on a steak like an infrared burner. That's what I'm going to test today. I'm going to be throwing a thick bone-in ribeye on that infrared burner and see what kind of sear we can get on this. Now, a few other features in the grill. If you look in the cabinet section underneath where the propane tank sits, you can see this little ring that it goes in. That's actually a weight sensor. So the grill will know when your propane is getting low. I love this feature because I always forget to check my propane. I go to cook and I'm empty, and it really ruins a good barbecue when you run out of propane. But that's why you always have a second tank. And then you check your second tank and you forgot that that's empty as well. But let's move on. There's a shelving unit inside. I like this little feature to put some stuff on, as well as on the door, they got a little trash can. Now, I know you can go and buy a trash can for any grill you have, but when it comes with the trash can, that's just a nice little added feature, and I absolutely love this. So this grill has something that I haven't seen on a gas grill. It's got an LED display. It'll show your temperatures, and it's got 2 temperature probes. So you can put temperature probes inside your meat and monitor internal temperature from that display as well. And that's where it's going to show when you're low on propane. Now it's got these beautiful knobs that light up and you can choose different colors, and they'll turn on when you turn a burner on, so you know which burners are on and which ones are off. If you're cooking at night, this is an awesome feature. It just looks so cool. So along with this LED display, it has a Bluetooth connection, and you can connect your phone and monitor your grill and internal temperatures right from your phone over Bluetooth. That's a great feature on a gas grill. And like I said, I haven't seen this on a gas grill yet. I've only seen these on pellet grills, the Masterbuilt charcoal grills, things like that. So Monument Grills is really stepping up the game for propane grills. So those are some of the awesome features on this Eminence 605. And if you're interested, I'm going to put a link right down in the description and in the comments, as well as a code to get you a huge deal on one of these Eminence 605s if you're interested. If you're looking for a high-end grill, this is the one to get. Like I said, that coupon code and link will be in the comments and description if you want a big discount on one of these Eminence 605s. But that's enough talking about this grill. Let's go out and see this thing in action. All right, so here we are at the Eminence 605. You can see, like I said, this is a monster of a grill. I've got some delicious steak tip kebabs and a little sausage cooking, and you can see how much more room I have on here. I also have one of my temperature probes in the sausage here, so I can monitor internal temperature of that. This is such a fantastic grill, and I'm going to utilize that extra space for the steak we're going to cook. So let's go ahead, turn on this infrared burner, and we're going to give our delicious bone-in ribeye a sear. All right guys, so I got the infrared burner on. If you can see the nice flames, this thing is putting out some serious heat. So let's go ahead and throw our delicious ribeye on here and get a beautiful sear. All right, so first check out our delicious bone-in cowboy cut ribeye, and this is a thick one. So let's throw it down and give it a sear. With this infrared burner, it shouldn't take long. All right, so this has been about a minute. I'm curious to see how it looks. Not too bad. Spin it, let it sear a little longer. All right, so I think that's gonna be good. Yep, that's looking like a nice sear. Let's get the other side. This infrared burner is absolutely amazing. This thing made a quick job of a beautiful sear on here. All right, let's see how this is doing. Yeah, looking pretty good. Needs a little bit longer. I'll give it a little spin. All right, this should be done. Beautiful sear on there. All right, now that the steak is done searing, we're gonna throw it on this side of the grill. These two burners are on low, and I just need to bring it up to an internal temp of around 130 to 135. So we're gonna get our temperature probe in the center. So I can monitor on the LED display now, which, like I said, is a great feature of the Monument Grills. You can see I also have a temperature probe in the steak tips, so I know that they're gonna be finished on time. But that's about it. I'm gonna close this up and let it finish cooking. All right, guys, so that was the Monument Grills Eminence 605 Series Propane Grill. You can see why I think this is the ultimate gas grill you're going to be able to get. You can see the beautiful sear we got on that ribeye using that infrared burner. That is an amazing feature if you can get one on a gas grill. And you can see I was doing kebabs, sausage, still had plenty of room to throw that steak on. I could have cooked even more food. This thing is just a monstrous gas grill. Plus, with all the features it has and those internal temperature probes, it has everything you will need to make a delicious cook. And we didn't even get into the rotisserie kit with that rear infrared burner. That's gonna be on another video, so be sure to subscribe. Like I said, if you're interested in this grill, link will be in the description and the comments with that discount code to get you a huge discount off one of these grills. And I would highly suggest buying one of these if you're in the market for a super nice gas grill. This thing, like I've been saying, top of the line. It is amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe right over here. If you're interested in a smaller Monument Grills and you want to see my review on one of their 4-burner propane grills, that video is right here. But most importantly, get out there and grill something good.